Honeywell Android Printing SDKs. In this video, we'll walk through how to access and download the Honeywell Printing SDKs for Android. If you're developing applications for point of sale, logistics, warehousing, or any workflow that requires mobile printing, these SDKs provide the tools you need to seamlessly connect and print to Honeywell devices. Let's get started. To begin, go to the Honeywell software portal at https://hsmftp.honeywell.com. Once logged in, navigate to Software, Software and Tools, Developer Library, SDKs for Android. The Android Printing SDK supports several command languages, including ESC/P, EasyPrint, and Fingerprint, depending on the printer model and specific printing requirements. If you're working with Datamax O'Neil printer models, the SDK is available from the same portal. Simply follow this path: Software, Software and Tools, Developer Library, SDK for printers, Datamax O'Neil. The Datamax O'Neil SDK supports DPL, XPCL, Easy, and LP command languages. Please ensure the Honeywell Download Manager tool is installed on your PC prior to trying to download files. This tool is required for downloading files. Thank you for watching.